Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Governing all-rich Delta State always presents a difficult challenge. This is because the state is populated by several people from different ethnic groups with diverse cultural, social, and economic backgrounds. Therefore, anyone who aspires to govern Delta State must not only possess good educational background, but must demonstrate a natural flair for the successful management of men and resources. These traits, according to members of the Delta State House of Assembly, are imbued in their Speaker, Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori, who has successfully steered the ship of the Delta State House of Assembly in the last 5.5 years. Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori, current Speaker of the Delta State House of Assembly, wants to become the next governor of Delta State from May 29, 2023. By that time, he will have served over 6 years as Speaker of the Delta State House of Assembly, which will make him not only the longest-serving Speaker of the State Assembly, but also the first lawmaker to be elected Speaker consecutively both in the 6th and 7th Assemblies of the Delta State House of Assembly. This rare feat was achieved by Oborevwori due to his sterling leadership qualities. According to members of the Delta State House of Assembly, Oborevwori stands out as the most equipped and favorable candidate to take over the reins of power from Governor AKUGHA in 2023 due to the leadership qualities he has exhibited over the years. Leadership is the ability of an individual to influence and guide other members in an organization. A good leader must be one who possesses self-awareness and credibility, exhibits humility, empowers others, focuses on relationship building, as well as one who stays authentic at all times while exhibiting a bias for action. Honorable Austin Uroye, member representing Warri South constituency, as well as Honorable Ferguson Owo, member representing Isoko South constituency, say Oborevwori has exhibited all these leadership qualities and more in managing the Delta State House of Assembly.
He has been able to manage the House successfully. And as a House, we are very, very satisfied with his conduct and his approach of leadership. He has led the House so well. The House is so peaceful. And I know definitely that with this approach and attitude that he has towards leadership, he has that capability to lead the state. He's a very transparent man, a man that is very down to earth. He's a very straightforward man and somebody who will not tamper with your money.
If you are leader of the House and you are in charge of 29 constituencies, it therefore means by inference you are already leading the state, because each member represents a constituency. He's somebody who has leadership qualities, passionate about the welfare of leaders, and also in terms of accounting, he's very detailed and very accountable, and also frugal in expenditure. In the last 2 weeks, the majority members of the House passed the vote of confidence on the Mr. Speaker and leadership of the House. That's a testimony to his leadership quality. I can tell you again that Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori is the fastest developed personality in the South-South politically.
Former Deputy Speaker and two-time member of the Delta State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Oviagas, simply describes Oborevwori as a gifted administrator and politician.
No other speaker has been able to run for 4 years. Every other speaker, either he was impeached, most of them were impeached. So Sheriff is an exceptional member of the House. It takes a lot of courage, a lot of common sense, a lot of skills to be able to manage them. He has managed it, and he runs an inclusive government. That is, in the House, he carries everybody along. So if you ask me, he's a very gifted administrator and a great politician.
Apart from effectively managing members of the House, Oborevwori has had very excellent relationship with the executive. As leader of the legislature, he has been very prudent in the management of the Assembly's finances. Delta State Commissioner of Finance, Fidelis Tiliji attests to this fact.
In the past 3 years that I've been Commissioner for Finance, I've related to him so well. He is somebody who is down to earth. He takes the welfare of his House of Assembly members very seriously. And when it comes to discuss financial relationship between the executive and the House of Assembly, if you see the kind of respect, the mean that he uses in discussing it, when he finishes his diplomacy, you do not have any other choice than to abide by his requests. He's a wonderful man. And I think he has a very large heart. He will be a very good leader and an excellent governor for Delta State.
Like other members of the State Assembly, Honorable Asupa Foteta, representing Brutu constituency, and Honorable Emeka Nwobe, representing Anyocha North constituency, say Oborevwori's leadership qualities are the reason they are giving him their full support to help him realize his ambition of becoming the next governor of Delta State.
The incoming governor, the man is humble. The man sees life as if there is tomorrow. So for that, he wants to ensure that everybody belongs to the system of where he is the leader of the house.
He is a very straightforward person, very truthful, and very humble. And we all admire those qualities in him. And because of that, we are all giving him the support to ensure that he finishes very well. And of course, we're also giving him the support to take over the mantle of the leadership in the executive come 2023.
No doubt, most Deltans can confirm that Oborevwori does possess sterling leadership qualities. Oborevwori, who describes himself as a man with excessive local content, obviously demonstrates self-awareness. His street credibility is attested to by the high and low in Delta State, with whom he has very close relationships. An extremely humble man, his Oborevwori Foundation continues to empower Deltans across the state. Born on the 19th of June 1963 to the family of Chief Samuel Oborevwori of Osubi in Okpe local government area of Delta State, Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori has continued to stay authentic as he maintains very close relationship with his kith and kin in Osubi. As the 2023 elections draw near, most Deltans are optimistic that not only will Oborevwori win the governorship elections of Delta State, but he will go on to govern Delta State and take it to greater heights while presiding over its affairs.
Inside the Niger Delta,